Good morning, children. And today we are going to see the next topic, that is traffic rules. So, first, I'll read this lesson for you once, then we'll go with the explanation part. So, I request everyone to open page number 12, theme 5, week 2, enrichment sheet 2. Traffic rules. Identify the meaning of the traffic lights and write what each of them is telling us. So they have given you here three lights, red, yellow, and green. Next, a road is a crowded place. Many vehicles run on the road. We should always be careful and alert while on the road. Hence, we must follow some road safety rules. For example, we must always walk on the footpath. Number one, we should walk always on the footpath. Number two, we should cross the road only when the pedestrian traffic light is green. Third one, we must cross the road at the zebra crossing. Fourth, we must look right, then left, and then right again before crossing the road. 5. We must obey the traffic rules and instructions given by the traffic police. Turn the page, please. Next one, sixth one. We must use underground subways to cross busy roads in big cities. Next one, we should never lean out of the bus and get on or get off of a moving bus. Next one, we must wear a seat belt while driving or sitting in a four-wheeler, and wear a helmet while riding a two-wheeler. Next, last one, we should never talk on the phone while driving a vehicle. We are very familiar with the following traffic signs that are put up in every road of the city. Now let us have a look. P, parking place, no U-turn, school ahead, speed limit, no parking, speed breaker, zebra crossing, no right turn. So these are the different traffic signs. So now let us go with the lesson, traffic rules. Okay. Now these are the keywords, children. In this lesson, these are the keywords. First, all of you once look at the keywords. First one, traffic. Second one, safety. Third one, footpath. Fourth one, pedestrian. Fifth one, zebra crossing. Sixth one, subway. Seventh one, helmet. And eighth one, traffic police. Now, what is first one? Traffic. Traffic means moving of vehicles in a particular area. The movement of vehicles in a place is called traffic. The traffic may be vehicles, cars, buses, yes, anything, bikes. So that is called traffic. A movement of vehicles in a particular place is called traffic. Next, safety. Safety means being protected. We have to be protected, safe, out of danger. Safety, we should be very safe when we go outside. Third one, footpath. Footpath means the place where we can walk on the road. Yes, the place where the people can walk on the road is called footpath. Next, pedestrian. Pedestrian means people who are walking on the road are called pedestrians. Okay, the people who walk on the road are called pedestrians. Next, zebra crossing. Zebra crossing means the place where we can cross the road. The place on the road. Yes, the zebra crossing is the place where we can cross on the road from one side to other. Then subway. Subway means, see, in big cities, there are some places where you can cross the road. They may be like a bridge. Okay, there may be a bridge like thing to cross the road, or there may be underground roads to cross. So that is called a subway. Helmet. It is a protection for our head. So we have to use a helmet. It is a thing. When you ride a two-wheeler, either it may be a bike or a motorbike, scooty, even small cycles also. You need to cover your head with helmet. So it gives protection to our head. Next, traffic police is a person who controls the traffic. A person who controls the traffic in a busy area. So these are the keywords. Once again, all of you look at the keywords. So, some of you are not observing. Keywords: traffic, safety, footpath, pedestrian, zebra crossing, subway, helmet, and traffic police. Now coming to the lesson. A road is a crowded place. It is a crowded place. Many vehicles run on the road. So whenever you go to a busy road, you can see many vehicles moving here and there. So we should be always careful when we go outside on the road and be alert also. So for this, what you have to do, you have to follow some traffic rules. Yes, it is a very crowded place. A road is a very crowded place. We have to, yes, we have to be safe. Many vehicles run on the road. We should be always careful and alert while moving on the road. Hence, we have to follow some road safety rules. Any problem? Are you able to hear me, everyone? Yes? Are you able to hear? So, now coming to the lesson. So, it is a very crowded place. Road is a very crowded place. So many vehicles will be moving here and there. So, you should be very safe and careful. So, for this, you have to follow some safety rules. Number one, we must always walk on a footpath. Everyone, those who are going by walk, you should walk on a footpath. Footpath means a place where only people can walk. Vehicles will not come to that place. For example, you can see here in the first picture, a car is moving on the road and children are moving on the pavement, footpath. You call it as a footpath. Then we should cross the road only when the pedestrian traffic light is green. So the pedestrian means people who walk. No, for them they will show a separate light like this, walking symbol. So when it is green color, then only you have to walk. Otherwise, you have to wait till your turn comes. When the vehicles are moving, you should not walk. It is very danger. Okay, children. When this symbol comes, then only you have to walk. Next, we must cross the road at the zebra crossing only. Where they are zebra crossing, there only you have to cross the road, not wherever you want. Because while you are crossing on the zebra crossing, the remaining vehicles on the both the sides will stop. They stop and they will give you a chance to cross. So you have to cross at the zebra crossing. Next, when you are crossing, you have to look first left, for right, left, and again right before crossing the road. So both the ways you have to look whether any vehicles are coming or not. So you have to look right, then left, again then right, then you have to cross the road. Then we must obey the traffic rules and instructions given by the traffic police. Very, very important thing. The traffic police who is standing in the junction, he will be giving you instructions. Go left, go right, turn this side, stop, like this. So whatever the traffic police is giving, that instructions you have to follow because they are good for us only. If you follow the traffic signals or traffic instructions given by the policeman, traffic police, it is good for us only. We will be very safe. Next, whenever you are crossing the big cities, very busy roads, you have to use subways. Subways means like underground systems. Some areas, no, they provide these underground systems. Like if the road is very busy and people cannot move, then there are underground subways in big, big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai, Hyderabad. So these are the different subways. So you can move from one side to other side through these subways. They are called as subways. Next, you should never lean out of the bus and get out or get on into the moving bus. Very, very danger thing, children. Whenever the bus is moving, you should not put your hands outside. You should not put your head outside. Even you should not get down from a moving bus, or you should not climb, or you should not get on into a moving bus. So you should be very careful while you are entering into the bus or getting down from the bus. And especially when you are going on a two wheeler, you have to use a helmet. Or if you are traveling in a four wheeler, you have to wear your seat belt compulsory. It is very, very important to wear your seat belt when you are traveling in a four wheeler, and when you are riding a two wheeler, you should use your helmet. Very, very important. It gives protection to your head, and seat belt gives protection to your body. So you have to use this both. Next, we should never talk on the phone while driving in a vehicle. Either you drive a car, or you ride a motorbike, or whatever it may be. You should not talk in a mobile phone. If it is urgent mobile, you have to talk. If it is urgent, if it is urgent call, then park your vehicle to a side, then talk to the person, then again start. But while the vehicle is running, you should not talk in the mobile. Very, very danger thing, because you will concentrate on talking and you don't know what is coming in front of you and what is coming from backside, and it is very danger for you. Like that only accidents will happen. So you should be very careful. If it is urgent to talk, you have to put or park, keep your vehicle aside. Yes, park aside, then talk and then start. Okay, so never talk on the phone while driving a vehicle or a motorbike. And these are the different types of traffic signals or signs we will be seeing on the road. Okay, stop, wait, go. We know these traffic signals. Stop means red color say stops, yellow color say wait, and green color say go. Turn left, no turn left, no motor vehicles, no overtaking, two-way traffic, road work, turn right, yes, over bridge, stop, cross the road, maximum speed, falling rocks, wild animals, no parking. Okay, like this different signals or signs you can see on the road. So these signs and symbols, no, they will be giving you instructions. For example, speed limit 30. Then you have to control your speed to 30, because there may be some danger there. That's why they will give you speed limit 30. No parking means you should not park your vehicle there. Turn right means you have to turn right only, because there may be some work on the left side. No overtake. Overtake means you should not overtake the other vehicle, because maybe the road is small, narrow. If you overtake, what happen? Accidents may happen. So like this, these instructions are good for us only. So we have to be careful, follow the traffic instructions.